Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the central limit theorem, which is probably one of the most important theorems in all of mathematics. So let's get started. The central limit theorem says that as the sample size gets larger, the sample distribution becomes more normally distributed. And this is always true. So as the sampling sizes get larger, the sampling distributions look more and more like bell curves. Hey, if you're having difficulty with the central limit theorem, that's totally normal. I actually had a large amount of difficulty trying to grasp what the central limit theorem says because it says a lot in very small number of words. So that's perfectly okay. If you're struggling, the next lecture will help you out a lot more. The next video, we're going to show an animation and we're going to work through the central limit theorem together in much more detail. So hopefully it'll make more sense then. I'll see you then. You just watched a video from More Learning. We provide free math videos and we offer many online courses. We also provide free math tutoring via YouTube Live every Thursday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to get access to all of our free content. And put a comment in the comment section if you have any math questions. Check out all of our courses on amorelearning.org.